What's up, YouTube? How y'all doing? Well, guys, today it's Lego crazy about Lego. Sorry, guys. This is not my first video, I promise. But guys, today we're doing a Lego tutorial. This is my first Lego tutorial, so bear with me on this. But guys, today we are building the farm tractor. I call it more of a riding mower, so you can call it whatever you want, but it's pretty interesting. So guys, these are the materials you're going to need. I think you pretty much can see what these things are besides these two. You're going to need a 1x2 flat and a 1x2 flat special with the like an eye hook on it, I-beam on it. But as you can, I think all the rest you all can see. So guys, yeah, so let's get started, I guess. There we go. I'll put my wall in the back so y'all don't have to see my ugly wall. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do, grab a cell like this, stud, get both of them out and put down your 2x6, like that. Now guys, the tires are an off-brand. A lot of these pieces are already an off-brand, so please bear with me at this point right now, because my mom, most of the time she buys the off-brand stuff, so but it is custom, kind of, yeah, custom. And guys, bear with me. Okay, there we go. Alright guys, so your next step is gonna be grab your 1x2 red, place it down, grab your 2x4, like that. Then you're gonna grab the eye hook 1x2 black, just like that. Alright, next thing, gonna get your speedster back fender, put it on the back just like that. Then you're going to get all 6 of your 1x1s with the thing sticking out. You're going to get all 6 of them out, put them all the way around on both sides. Now guys, these are different ones, so it's not going to look too pretty, but y'all can use the same ones or you can use different ones, it don't matter. As I said, a bunch of these are from a off-brand, so it's what I got. And if y'all, yeah, alright, so after that, you're going to get your grills pieces, put them on the sides. You can use any color you like. I choose this, my opinion would be a golden like this, or like a yellow, pure yellow. So alright guys, next thing you're going to do, you're going to grab your 1x2, where'd it go? Oh, over here, way over here, sorry guys. 1x2, put it on top right here, on top of the eye hook or I-beam. And then you're going to get your things with the hook sticking out. I'm not sure how you would call those. You're going to grab both of them and put them on the sides. And then after you do that, you're going to grab this little piece and put it on just like this. So we're getting there, guys. It looks starting to look like something. You're going to grab your 2 clear light studs and put them on like so. There we go. Put them on just Just like that. Now it looks like a face now. Look at that. Hello. Okay. So guys, next thing you're going to do, you're going to get your curved pieces just like this and put them in the front like that. And grab your 2x2 and put it there. And then you're going to grab your chair or your seat and put it in the bag. Just like that. If I'm going too fast, guys, please leave it in the comments so when I do another tutorial, it'll be good. Alright guys, so next thing we're going to do, so we're going to get your 2x2 flat. And you actually need 2 of these. I accidentally didn't put another one in there. You're going to grab your 2x2 flat. Put one right there. Sorry guys, I'm getting another one. Alright. Ouch. It hurt. Alright, put one right there and put one right here. Just like that. Then you're going to grab your 1x1 flat. Put it on. Then your 1x1 stud and put it on. So you should have this type of design right up here. Alright. Next thing we're going to do, you're going to get your cone. Put it on top just like a stack. And last but not least, you're going to add your tires. As I said guys, these are already off brands, so different tires can work. I don't know why these aren't working that well, but we'll figure it out. So put your tires on every single area on the sides. If I can get it on. I actually don't think this is the right axles, but it's fine. So y'all gonna have to experiment with this part. Get the right wheels and all that in order for it to work. But guys, that is a riding mower or a tractor, small tractor. And all that's left is get your man. And guys, bear with me. It's a robot, but oh well. So guys, that is it. Vroom vroom. So guys, I guess, yeah. So guys, we'll see y'all later. Crazy about Lego. Check out my other YouTube, SwaggerMonkey62. I got 104 subscribers, I believe. So please go check it out. And guys, we will see you later, guys. Yeah. Okay, Crazy about Lego is out of the house. Woo!